The 43LX, $265,000 discount down to $1.5 million. So the 43LX, this has the wing that folds out on the side. That also has a fold down ladder there. And look at this, this goes the whole way across, very cool. You've got a nice shade here. I really like it. So over on the starboard side, you have some L-shaped seating that can transition into U-shaped seating. So this would go forward here, and you convert this to aft facing. So the helm could be like that. You get a beautiful teak table here, nicely varnished teak. And this will also pivot. So if you want aft facing seating there, just like you can do the aft facing seating here. Really nice big wide boat on the 43LX. So you see you've got the controls over on the starboard side. This has the Mercury Skyhook system. Triple Garmins. You do have a bow thruster fusion stereo. This is nice because it's one level the whole way from the transom all the way through, so no steps at all. So you can transition straight through to the bow area. It's a window that slides over there, and then again, hardtop convertible. You're going to go ahead and walk downstairs. So downstairs here, we do have a U-shaped seating area, as well as to the back. We've got two berths there. The head, you have electric flush toilet. Beautiful wand and fixed infinity hardware there. Nice glass space in there. On the port side, you do have a little bit of storage there and your microwave. Garmin ship system, so this is all integrated in with everything, Dometic air conditioning. Fold down TV on the port. So what an entertainment platform. This would be great to anchor out. And just imagine, you can have 20 people on here. I mean, this is like a party platform. Let's go up to the bow, and again, this is beautiful here. I really like this transition. And look at this, beautiful U-shaped seating, storage underneath, fold down, armrests here and there. Like you've got stainless steel drink holders, recessed cleats, access to your windlass. But this is nice. So if you had people walking around here, they minimize the tripping hazards for sure. And this is nice, very secure, non-skid there. Look at this windshield. Nice wraparound windshield from the starboard over. And then just this one section here, just boom, slides over to fill in. That is cool. LED light bar. You've got the Garmin open array radar there. So that's the extended range radar. And then also do note, it looks like you have forward and aft facing FLIR. So that's your infrared night vision on this. So if you're out at the sandbar a little too late entertaining your 20 friends, you can easily transition to night vision. I really like this platform. I'm not kidding you, you could have 20 people on here easy. Okay, we're gonna look at our summer kitchen here. So look at this grill setup. You've got dual electric grills or planchas on the port side here. This thing is a grilling machine. Huge sink for your 20 friends. Put all the dishes in there, get everything done all at once. Down below, you've got top loading cold storage. These are the controls for the Kenyan grills. And then more cold storage there. So everything that you need to have a proper grill out and hang out. Take a closer look at the platform here. So this has the integrated ladder there. You have integrated storage here, And then this whole section underneath will open up. Do you have a rumble seat there that's going to be forward facing? And the bigger ladder, actually this is the through gate there, so that's not a ladder. So the ladder is on the port side. This is the gate that will access through the hull, so when that's folded up you can walk straight out. These are these Mercury 600 horsepower V12s. Cool thing about these just fold up and back, and only the lower portion pivots on it. So the motors don't actually move side to side. That gives you a bigger platform in the back. And then note the storage that you have there. I like the placement of these cleats here.